the #1 vitamin that strengthens your legs. Have you noticed your legs don't feel as strong or steady as they once did? Maybe you've been dealing with cramps, balance problems, or that heavy, tired feeling, even after a good night's sleep. What if I told you there's one powerful vitamin that could restore your leg strength, improve your balance, and dramatically reduce cramps? And most seniors are missing it without even knowing? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly what it is, why it's so important, and 3 simple ways to start boosting it today. But before we dive in, if you want to walk with more confidence, reduce your risk of falls, and keep your legs feeling young and steady, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a health tip that could change your life. Now, let's dive into the #1 vitamin your legs can't live without, and why it could be the game changer you've been looking for. The vitamin we're talking about today is vitamin D, your leg's silent powerhouse. Most people know vitamin D for its role in building strong bones. But here's what most don't realize. Vitamin D is also a direct fuel for your muscles. Without enough of it, your legs become weaker, your reaction time slows, and your balance suffers, making you far more likely to stumble or fall. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that seniors with healthy vitamin D levels had stronger muscle fibers, better coordination, and a significantly lower risk of falls and injuries. Why? Because vitamin D supports fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for quick, stabilizing movements when you lose balance. Without it, these fibers deteriorate, leaving your legs unstable and slow to react. Here's the problem. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. Add in less outdoor time, more time indoors, and in some cases, sunscreen blocking vitamin D production, and you have a recipe for widespread deficiency. The result? Weak, shaky legs, frequent cramps, stiffness or chronic discomfort, and brittle bones that are more prone to fractures. Even worse, low vitamin D affects more than just your legs. It's linked to heart disease, cognitive decline, and a weakened immune system. So when you ignore a deficiency, you're putting your entire health at risk. If you're wondering whether you might be low in vitamin D, out for these red flags. Leg or back muscle weakness, frequent cramps, especially at night, slow recovery from exercise, balance issues, or unexplained fatigue. If these sound familiar, it's worth asking your doctor for a simple blood test to check your vitamin D levels. The good news? Fixing a vitamin D deficiency is simple, safe, and life-changing. Here's how. 1. Sunlight exposure. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight on your arms and legs in the morning or late afternoon. Remember, sunscreen blocks vitamin D production. So get your sun first, then apply protection. You'll be out longer. 2. Eat vitamin D-rich foods. Add fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel to your weekly menu. Include egg yolks, fortified milk or plant-based alternatives, and ultraviolet exposed mushrooms. 3. Consider supplements. Most seniors benefit from 800 to 1,000 international units per day, sometimes more. The tests show deficiency. Always check with your doctor before starting supplements, especially if you're on medication or have other health conditions. Vitamin D is more than just a bone vitamin. It's your muscle's power source, your balance booster, and your cramp preventer. When you keep your vitamin D levels healthy, you're not just making your legs stronger, you're protecting your mobility, independence, and quality of life. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly tips for staying strong and healthy. And share this with a friend or loved one. You might just help them prevent a dangerous fall or months of leg pain. Remember, strong legs aren't just about movement. They're your foundation for freedom. Give them the support they deserve, starting today.